My name is Kate. I'm an esthetician here at Rescue Spa, and we're going to be talking about cleansing today. Cleansing is probably one of the most important steps in a good skincare routine because without a good cleanse, nothing else is going to work right. So our favorite cleanser to start off with is Cerabalm. No wonder, because it is a multi-purpose wonder product. You can use it for cleansing, you could use it on your cuticles, you could use it as a lip balm, you could use it as a mask. It's a great product to travel with because you can use it for so many different things. So you would just take a tiny amount. It has a beautiful honey texture. You can cleanse it, put it onto your chin, apply it all over. You can go right over the eyes. Great for removing waterproof makeup. You would just want to massage this product in, really work it into the skin. It has sea buckthorn oil, meadowfoam oil, apricot kernel oil. You would remove this with the Danucera washcloth. You can use the rough side to make sure you thoroughly get everything off the skin. It's going to lightly exfoliate as well to help with texture. It will leave your skin super nourished and hydrated and super calm and relaxed.